Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the extension in Chrome, //extensions, and enabling developer mode so you can inspect it immediately. Once done, open the extension's background page or service worker and the console to capture runtime errors. This tells you whether the problem is a manifest, permission, or script failure. Make sure to check the extension ID, version, and manifest. JSON schema for typos. Run the extension and reproduce the bug while the console is recording, so you capture precise error messages and stack traces. Next, interpret stack traces and map them back to source files. Source maps help translate minified lines into readable code. Set breakpoints in the background or content scripts, and step through execution to observe variable state and flow. Check the Network tab for blocked requests or CORS issues, and test the extension on an isolated tab or clean Chrome profile to rule out interference from other extensions. Once you identify a faulty module or permission, create a minimal repro to verify the fix before changing the main codebase. Finally, implement targeted fixes, correct manifest. JSON fields, tighten or loosen permissions responsibly, adjust content security policy directives, and repair the offending code paths you traced earlier. Bump the extension version, reload it in Chrome, //extensions, and run the same reproduction steps to confirm the error is gone. If problems persist, collect console and network logs, revert recent changes to identify the commit that introduced the bug, and apply smaller incremental patches until the extension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.